What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy SRT920 Shung back up in this thing. I haven't recorded anything or shot anything. It's just been busy with work, and it's been a good month, I would say, or something like that I haven't recorded. I figured I'd get a little point of view driving. I wish I would have had more time during the day, but I had to give you guys a point of view driving with the new steering wheel in here. It looks good. Really just want you guys to be able to see this. It's hard to see when it's dark out, so. Plus, I like driving during the day, especially because the tent, you know, we're at 109. We'll be Gucci. We'll be Gucci. So I was sitting here letting this thing idle too. I don't know if it's just been a while since I started this thing, but I stood outside my garage, just sat there and listened to it idle for a little bit. I wonder if my neighbors hate me or not, but it's not that big of a difference. It's a little bit deeper and a little bit louder, but it's not that big of a difference. Can never get old. Can never get old, man. That wine's great. Get that. Oh, I can't even get the sunset for you guys. But oh well. It's not what it's all about. A little night ride for right now. I don't know where to do these good pulls. And every time I do a little pull, there's always some type of car in front of me, or just can't go full throttle. And I just want to be able to go full throttle. Ooh, this thing picks up quick. Thing picks up quick. Oh, I wasn't expecting this thing to get sideways like that. Hey, yo, that was something. That was something. I know, I rode past my parents. I know damn well my stepdad heard that. I was not expecting to get sideways like that. That kind of blew my mind. It caught me off guard. But as I was saying, yeah, I want to find like a warehouse or something, or somewhere with a nice big parking lot where I can actually, because I've never really actually done like the big circles and everything. Anyone can just spin in small little circles and crank the wheel. I want to be able to, you know, do some Tokyo drift stuff, drift around the whole car, and, you know, be able to handle stuff like that. And I just feel like it'd be interesting. Just because it's dark out, I really don't want to be riding around at night. And I had to come out. The weather is great right now in Wisconsin. Oh, Mexico. The weather's great in Mexico right now. Ooh, brother, what is that, brother? Nasty Tesla. I've seen these videos on Facebook where it's the Arab dude. Ooh, brother. I won't lie, those are pretty damn funny. What is this, brother? Just can't. That whine you cannot get sick of. I really would like to go really loud with my exhaust, but I would much prefer to hear the whine on this bad boy. You hear that? Sounds just like my supercharger. Like you can't tell me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That don't look nice. But I'm about to top this thing off. I haven't gotten gas in this thing probably like, I don't want to say a month. It has been a while. I only drive this thing on the weekends. I figured I'd get a little video shoot of this while driving. Oh, Blicky. Blicky with the whippy. Nice and quiet, see? Once it's all warmed up, the idle on this thing's great. Oh, my dumb ass. I didn't hit the button. Oh yeah. And the red just looks magnificent at the gas station. The light looks great. Alright. had to stop it. Oh, we get that premium couple cents off the gas. Let's go, baby. Because, you know, we're too poor to afford gas nowadays. Biden, what did you do? What did you do? I also never recorded at a gas station, so it feels a little weird. Sitting here talking to myself and shit. We'll see. I'm at a half tank. Let's see how much this goes up to. Ooh. We in the chonklers today. We in the chonklers. Oh yeah, watch that go up. Watch that go up. Oh yeah. She loves it when she gets filled up. She loves it. Third. You know what's funny? I actually never rode in track. Like a full day of riding track. It's always been sport. I've been thinking about doing my own custom, like doing the transmission in track, and then traction, and like sport, and then suspension. No, suspension I feel like would be really tight in track. Yeah, it would. So screw all that. Yes, sir. We're almost there. Bro, that ain't even that bad. Look at that. Oh, that's too blurry. Come on now. Stop it. Stop it. Actually, I'll just get out being a weirdo. You know, we gotta do a couple pump, 2 pump chump. I don't even know if I'm recording the gas pump, but you know. That will end the video with a nice quick pump. We're Gucci. We're Gucci. Oh yeah. Got it back in the garage. Got it parked up. I don't know why I popped that. These are the wheels. I think I showed you guys. I'm not sure. It's one wheel. Looks like it's from a Scat Pack or something. Oh no! What am I doing? What am I doing? There you go. Now you can see. Oh, damn. I'll leave that in the video. You know, bloopers. But I want to slap those things on, like I was saying in the video beforehand, that I want to be able to drift, do big circles, because I want to feel like Han, do me some Tokyo Drift stuff, like I said, because I need to show your boy certified. Can handle the cat. Here's the steering wheel. Nice little view. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. Oh, she's a little shimmery. There we go. A little better. Carbon fiber looks good. I'm really wishing I had the heated steering, but not that big of a deal because this thing don't get driven in the cold. I did a little bit today, but you know, it's 50-some degrees and it's just nice weather. So, if I could get your guys' opinions, drop some comments below. One moment. I'll be able to open this. Can't do it with one hand. I want your input on what I should do for my next couple mods. Well, my last mod was my steering wheel. I mean, that's obviously not performance and appearance kind of thing, but, you know, like, I tried doing the front lip, like I said. I'm not doing that again on this thing because I do not want to mess this bumper up either. I actually gotten a hold of the guy. I'm going to get this paint matched. I might get everything else paint corrected because there's a couple dings and scratches on this thing. But anyway, getting off task. Tell my little ADHD's kicking in. All I know so far is to do an aftermarket pulley and whatever, a green belt. I don't know. I just want to be quick. I want to be fast like a jailbreak kind of thing. I'm trying to, and I got to get this thing tuned. Because I would like to get the burble crack tune, whatever you want to call it, and just be dope to actually hear this thing pop. I get little burbles in this thing, but it's not too crazy. But if you guys could drop something in the comments, and let me know what you think I should do to add horsepower gains. I'm not trying to push no 1,000 horsepower or nothing crazy. I just want to be like a jailbreak of some sort. What is it, 807? Something like that, 797, I don't know. But I'm trying to push something like that. So, if you guys could drop some comments, let me know what I can do. Ooh, that was hard. I will catch you in the next video.